Good morning, class 5. I hope you all are doing great, good, and fine, and taking care of yourselves. So, we are on course book, the English course book, and we'll be doing page 102, the original Olympics. Where did this Olympics come from? Okay, so let's start. Read this fascinating information about the history of original Olympics in ancient Greece. I'm going to read. You will do the word meanings. You will write it down in your copy and try to understand them. If you are not about to understand the word meanings, go to the dictionary and get help. You are becoming old now. You are senior children. You must learn how to do things. Okay, so that's the way I guide you, and if you follow me, you will be doing good. Ancient means old. In Greece, ancient Greece, there were many sports competitions, but four biggest ones were known as the Pan-Hellenic Games. Pan-Hellenic means all to do with Greek people in Africa. The games that took place at Olympia resulted in the formation of Pan-Hellenic Games. They constituted the following. What are the Pan-Hellenic Games of Constitution? The games at Olympia known as the Olympic Games, the games at Delphi known as the Pythian Games, the games at Corinth known as the Isthmian Games, the games at Nemea known as the Nemean Games. This is the list they have given you. The answer is here. The games held a distinctive position in the Greek world since they led to the coming together of various states during a period when Greece was not one state. These states were politically and economically independent each other. People traveled not only from Greece but also other places including Italy, North Africa and Asia to participate or watch these games. The games became an important symbol of Greek culture. Place is called Greece, the people are called Greek. People came all over the Greek world to take part. Many buildings were erected for games. These were for competitors, important people who came to watch the religious ceremonies. Just a second. It's okay, fine. People came from all over the Greek world to take part. Many buildings were erected for the games. These were competitors, important people who came to watch, and religious ceremonies also happened. At Olympia, there was a temple of Zeus. The statue of the god was about 13 meters high and was one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The statue of Zeus is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Now, ceremonies are when games start, you have a lot of programs and all before the game starts, after the game ends, you see. So, these are the things which were happening in Greece. Sports came in from there, from Greece. Games for the gods. They played games for the gods. The Olympic Games were held in honor of god Zeus. No one knows exactly when they began, but official records were kept from 776 BC. At first, there was only one event, running, but others were added later, such as wrestling, boxing, chariot racing, horse racing, and pentathlon. Pentathlon is a group of games which different people try to attempt. These prizes were olive wreaths. Wreaths are type of flowers, together in a round half circle. There is a gap in between. Sometimes they are added together with flowers and leaves and they're put on. So when some people die, they give, and for presents, they give wreaths. Expensive wreaths like palm branches and woolen ribbons. If an athlete had performed really well, a statue was put up in his honor. A statue was made for him. The Pan-Hellenic Games had an important position for the religious point of view as well. Every game was played in the honor of the following gods: Zeus, the king of gods at Olympia and Nemea; Apollo, the god of light and of reason at Delphi; Sodium, Poseidon, the god of the sea and of horses at Corinth. Poseidon. The history of the Olympics. All of the Pan-Hellenic competitions, the Olympic Games were the most important. They were held every 4 years at Olympia and only lasted one day until the 77th Olympiad, when this was extended to 5 days. Now they were held every 4 years. Still now it's held every 4 years at the Olympiad, when this was extended till the day until the day 77th. When this was extended to 5 days. Running, wrestling and boxing took place in the stadium. Chariot and horse racing were held in the hippodrome, a stadium, where horses can run, a huge place. Since all the Pan-Hellenic Games, the one which took place at Olympia was the main. It was seen as a very important by the Greek world. The place was divided into a sacred area, religious area, the Aldis, which had a boundary wall, and had a secular non-religious area. The sacred area consisted of temples dedicated to Zeus, and altars and sacrifices were made. Treasuries where small buildings were built by city-states, in which expensive things were stored, like vases and statues. Vases in which we keep flowers, those are called vases. The secular area was built near the outer side of the boundary wall. It consisted of the sports building, including the gymnasium, wrestling school, stadium and hippodrome. There were also other buildings in the area which were used for management of the games and to receive important visitors. The only people who were allowed to live at Olympia were the priests and the people who were responsible for taking care of it. However, during the competitions, Olympia was filled with not only athletes and spectators but also traders selling different kind of things. It was kind of a stadium, which we call now. Festivals and contests in Greece. Other than the Pan-Hellenic Games, important sports competitions used to take place in Athens. The competitions were popularly called the Panathenian Games. The Panathenian Games used to take place with the the Panathenian Games used to take place with the great Panathenia, the biggest festival in Athens. The great Panathenia took place after every 4 years in honor of the goddesses Athena. Throughout Greece and other Greek areas, a number of local competitions took place. Every city organized and participated in these games. Athena is this picture. The importance of the Pan-Hellenic Games and a great number of local competitions show the importance of physical exercise and the spirit of competition in the Greek society. It was also important for the men to be fit, as they often had to go to war. This is a wreath which they gave as a prize. This is called a wreath, which was put on top of their head. Okay, so read this chapter. Mostly everything, all the answers are there in it, and try to solve it. I have read it for you. You have to hear it and read it. I am coming back in the next video. 1 second.